Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2023 through 2026 Maserati Grecale. Blending Italian craftsmanship with modern performance, the Grecale delivers a driving experience that's both refined and responsive. From smooth cruising to spirited acceleration, maintaining that balance requires braking that feels just as composed as the vehicle itself. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, helping preserve the Grecale's smooth pedal response and quiet operation. Designed to deliver consistent stopping performance, these components support both everyday driving and more dynamic situations. Attention to detail matters in a vehicle like this. GeoSpec coated rotors provide corrosion resistance to maintain both performance and appearance, while OE-specific fitment ensures precise installation for technicians. The result is braking that feels controlled, refined, and aligned with the overall driving experience Maserati drivers expect. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, giving distributors flexibility while helping service teams complete jobs efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2023 to 2026 Maserati Grecale with a complete braking solution: pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for reliability, performance, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's must-have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.